Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to use Discord on PS5. Go to settings from top right, then click on users and accounts. Then go to linked services. Here check Discord is linked or not. Now go to PC and open the browser. Then open the Discord and log in into your account. Now click on settings icon. Now go to connections. Now click on PS icon. Now click on continue and done. Now click on authorize and continue and done. Now go to home and right click on the voice chat. Now click on join on PlayStation. Then click on view PlayStation and transfer voice. Now go to your console and go to home. Press the PlayStation button from controller. Then go to game base. Then go to party chat. Now open it. By following the steps, you can use Discord on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.